Upgrade your ignition performance with the ICE Marine CDI Unit Assembly OEM 3P0-06060-0, built for Tohatsu and Nissan 25 horsepower and 30 horsepower two-stroke outboard engines. This high-quality CDI unit delivers precise ignition timing, consistent spark output, smoother throttle response, and reliable engine starting. Designed to replace multiple OEM and Mercury/Mariner references, it ensures wide compatibility and easy installation. Built with durable heat-resistant ABS and rubber, it withstands vibration, corrosion, and harsh marine environments, operating reliably up to 105 degrees Celsius. Restore stable power, smooth performance, and dependable ignition with ICE Marine, trusted OEM-quality marine electronics. Contact ICE Marine, iceboatparts.com, seller at icemarine.cec, WhatsApp +8 869 6646 8632.